rally people, rally fans from Czech especially. I miss you very much. Lucas here. So I hope you stay home and stay safe, keeping calm, have enough of toilet paper at home, and everything works good for you. I'm really stuck at home. It's boring, but we have to wait a bit. A lot of events are postponed, but I really hope that we will restart soon, and I'm really waiting for Czech. Barum rally is lean, so maybe we see each other there. I know that organizers make some efforts, and they asked me to make this video to keep you focused, to make you believe that everything should happen. I'd like to take part in this game, so hopefully we will see each other in August, maybe earlier. The earlier the better. But anyway, all the best. Be healthy and strong. See you.
Tak, už na nic nečekal. Tak, máme jenom minutku zpoždění, tak tady žádná tragédie. Dámy a pánové, Alexey, Lukyanuk, Arnautov. Jejich krásný.
Опасно. На правый 2, 120. Левый 2 минус 4, длинный лед. 20, правый 3. Трамплин 50, правый 3 минус аккуратно. Налево 4 плюс длинный. Лево 1 минус за трамплин 100. Лево 1 на правый 5 острый, скользко. 100. Правый 5 плюс острый. «60, правый 5. Сучка, давай. 30, левый 2 за трамплин, чуть длинный, 40, левый 5.
Тут топливо отливает, как будто бы.
50, трамплин, 20, правый 4 плюс, чуть длинный. Оп.
Финишес, дружок.
Alexey Lukyanuk s Alexejem Arnautovem. Second place like last year.